Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2006 Harley-Davidson Road King Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2006 Harley-Davidson Road King Classic with 28,474 miles runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control and a keyless ignition. It's been upgraded with Vance & Hines mufflers, an open stage 1 intake, passing lamp and headlight trim rings, axle caps, smoked front turn signals, front and rear fender trim, chrome inner and outer primary covers, shift linkage, a brake pedal, chrome floorboard covers, and a shifter peg. Powered by an 88 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Road King puts 86 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel tank, the Road King has an average fuel range of 160 to 180 miles. It has a 29.5-inch seat height and a dry weight of 710 pounds. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds, and the rear at 630 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.